Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Clash of Clans with Supercell ID step by step clearly. Open your Clash of Clans app. Tap on the settings icon located in the top right corner. Scroll down to find the Supercell ID section. If you don't have a Supercell ID, tap on Register Now. Enter your email address and create a password. Confirm your password by re-entering it. Check your inbox for a verification email from Supercell. Click the link in the email to verify your account. Return to the Clash of Clans app. Tap on Login under the Supercell ID section. Enter your registered email and password. Once logged in, your game progress will be linked to your Supercell ID. To back up your game, ensure you are connected to the internet. Your progress is now saved automatically with the Supercell ID. To check your backup status, revisit the Settings menu. Look for a confirmation message indicating your account is linked. You are now ready to switch devices or reinstall the game without losing progress. Ensure to log in using the Supercell ID on any device to access your saved game. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.